Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you really quick how to join a Quizizz game if you have not ever done this before, and it's really easy. All you have to do is go to quizizz.com, so it's Quizizz.com, and when you go to quizizz.com, you click Join a Game. It'll redirect you to this page where you enter your game code. So I'm going to enter a game code that I already know is active, but your teacher will give you a game code for that day. Then you click Join, and it says enter your name. Where it says enter your name, you must put your first name. You must put your first name. You don't want to put in a code name or anything like that. You must put in your first name so that your teacher knows who you are. Otherwise, you will not get credit for completing your games. So I'm gonna put Jake. All right, that's not my first name, but if I was Jake, that's what I would put. And then I click Start Game. Okay. Now I might have music or sound effects and everything. If this pops up, just exit out of it. And then I'm going to click Start. All right, and the game has started. Now, I want to work this out on a piece of paper, but you want to do it quickly and you want to do it correctly because these will tell you if you get it right or wrong. And if you see up here, there is a bar that's moving. It is timed. So you do not have all day to do a problem, and you don't want to just leave it and come back to it in a minute or two because you'll get a bunch of incorrect answers. So it's really important that once you start this, you're focused on your learning and that you're working these problems out and that you are making sure that you're completing it in time before the timer runs out. All right, it will tell you when the quiz is done, and that will send it over to your teacher so that they know that you are complete. All right? All right, if you do have to pause, you can click pause, but you notice that the timer still goes. All right? All right, guys, that's it.